Welcome to this beard tutorial. I'm going to show you how I just trim my beard exactly like this. I'm going to show you how to make it fuller, how to edge it up with a razor, and what I'm trying to do to create a nice shape on the beard. Trimming your beard into a good shape doesn't need to be complicated. My methods are really easy and I'm just going to show you right now exactly what to do. At the moment you can see that it's been left bulky in this area here. It's not edged up on the face, it's a bit untidy under the neck, and it just needs a better shape altogether. The great thing about a beard is that a beard can give you a completely new face shape if you want. I'm afraid my chiseled jawline left me quite some time ago, but with the help of my beard, I can create something a little bit more shapely around the chin. I've got the workhorse here, the Wall Senior, and I've got it on a closed blade there. And all we're going to do to start with is just take a couple of mil off each side where I've left it heavy from the fade. So now that I know I have exactly a zero there and there, I can work from that point. So I'm going to take my Wall Senior and I'm going to move the lever to the halfway point. Not fully open, just halfway. And let's take another millimeter or 2 mil off each side. That's that done. Now let's move the lever all the way to the half position. And again, take maybe about a centimetre more, slightly further down. That was really simple. That's the start of this fading in process into the beard. Now I'm going to put a number 1 guard, that's that 3mm guard, onto the Wall Senior. Must make sure that my lever is closed, and I'll just pop that on. Once again, I'm going to remove about a centimetre further down. Okay, and the process of getting longer again, move it to the 1.5 completely open position, and then once again just go a little bit lower down the beard. That's me finished with the number 1. Now I'm going to go on to a number 2, and I've got the lever closed. So you can see how it's starting to fade in now. However, it doesn't really pop until you've done the fine detail work. I've done the number 2, going up the way. Now I'm going to flip the number 2 over, and I'm going to come down the beard with the number 2. I'm not going to go to a number 3. I always feel that when you go to a number 3 in a beard, you're starting to cut to uniform lengths, and I prefer a bit more shape in a beard. So here's the downward technique on the sides, and what's going to happen is it's going to leave the hair at the depth of the guard. Okay, so it's not going to stick out from my face any further than the depth of the guard. So I'm finished tapering in now, and I'm going to take my Jack Dean beard brush. This is a boar bristle brush, and I'm going to brush it all down. I want it to just go in the natural direction. My hair grows this way, so I want it to grow. I'm going to brush it that way, and then this way. If you look at the side, you see that there isn't much of a point in the chin. It kind of curves under on my beard. So I want to take this in a little bit here. And I'm going to do that just now with the clipper. And I want to show you a method that I use for that. So this is something that will help you to trim under the chin freehand without obliterating it or having a shaky hand that's going to destroy what you're doing. Rest your wrists on your chest like that. And then what we'll do is we can rock the clipper like this underneath the chin. Like that, okay, and then it's very stable. It's not going to go any higher. It's not going to like go because you're freehanding it. So I'm just going to shape this stuff under the chin now. If you don't have a mirror to do this, you can do exactly what I just did there. I've got my phone set up in front of me, I've reversed the camera, and I can see myself going in. And you can see that I just hold the clipper and I just move it in like that, okay? I just rock it in with my hands on my chest there, okay? Like that. And it's giving me more of a shape that I'm happy with on the chin. I've got these little hairs, these unruly hairs sticking out on the chin. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna very lightly go over that just with the open blade so that they don't look messy on the beard. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the shape underneath now. I've still got some tidying up to do under the neck. And this edging in here, I'm going to show you a really neat trick with that in a minute. For edging up, I'm going to use Red One shaving gel, or any gel really. I prefer to use gel than to use foam or anything like that, because if you use a foam, you're not going to be able to see where the razor's going. The razor that I use is an exposed blade shavette. Now you can see here how the blade sticks out slightly further than the housing, and it slides in and out on this thing here. Okay, you see there's little teeth there, and the blade slots onto that and then slides back into the housing. So I'm going to put that back on now. Okay, just sits like that and then slides into the housing. Okay, I'm going to put the shaving gel on then, just on this area, this rough area here, and this area here. Okay. And then a liberal amount just under the neck here. Rub it all in so that it's all around the hair. Some hairs lie flat, and if you really rub it in, it's going to allow the shave gel to get underneath that flat lying hair and prevent friction. Now when you shave with the razor, it's a good idea to pull your skin away from the blade, so a finger on one side and pull the blade down, okay, if you can. See how I have a little mole there? That's the guideline for me. It's safe for me to take the razor over that. I've done that many times, but if certain people it may be a bit more pronounced. I would be very careful in pulling a razor over something like that. But that's my guide, because that can form a dark patch for me. So I come down as low as that, and I can still keep my beard fairly dense. If your beard's lower and it's around the chin and you want a solid beard, come right down to the point where the hair's the thickest. It may look more like a chin strap, but it'll look full. Don't be afraid to go back from side to side and adjust. It's very difficult to do that and get it symmetrical yourself, because you can't see both sides of your face at the same time. You go like this, and then you go like that. It's not easy. Okay, so now I'm going to just do the neck, pull the skin down on the neck and work your way up. Be very careful when you're using an open razor on your neck for obvious reasons, but here we go. Work in small motions. Now, I wouldn't be going over the skin more than 3 times, because metal on skin can cause quite a lot of irritation. So if you want to keep it clean and don't look like a mess if you're going out the door, then really 1 or 2 passes is plenty. Okay, I want to show you something amazing for those of you who don't have a beard that's so full, how you can make it look fuller. Here it is here, the Graph-X pencil. There's loads of these types of things on the market. I'll leave a link in the description. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line here, I'm going to draw a line here, and then I'll show you how it's going to make your beard look fuller. So just draw a line along the edge of your beard, make yourself look like a cartoon. Okay, so now I look a bit daft, but back to the beard brush, and I'm going to show you how to blend it all in and make your beard look fuller. This is going to be amazing. You brush down and just keep brushing down, and what happens is the line just softens into the beard. You see how this is happening? And then all of a sudden you've just got this solid enhancement of your beard. It's pretty cool, like, and so simple. What a piece of cake. So if your beard's not very full, grab yourself one of these beard pencils. So many in the market, and as I said, I'll put a link in the description for that. And that's it. That's how I would do my beard. Very, very easy. My beard's quite full, I don't necessarily need the pencil, but I wanted to show you how you can make your beard look fuller. If you find the content in my videos useful for yourself, hit subscribe and hit the little bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Now I want to wish you luck with your own beard and your own haircut. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.